Good evening, guys. You speak with me, Ranisa Akira Vidana, cadet number 2230101. I want to explain how the train transmission works. There's two ways that train transmission can work. The first thing is the hydraulic system. The second thing is the electrical system. Let me explain you both of that system and how it works. A hydraulic train system is a type of transmission that uses hydraulic fluid to transmit the power from the engine to the wheels. It's more efficient than a manual or automatic transmission because it does not have any gears that are constantly meshing together. This makes it more durable and fuel efficient. The train transmission uh, consists in two main paragraphs. Wait a minute. Now, the first one is the palm. Is the palm. It's where the fluid get pumped by the head of the piston, so it's flow to the motor. This is the motor. Is the motor is the part of uh is a part of the driven engine and produce the flow of the hydraulic fluid. The motor is located on the axle of the wheel and is rotated by the flow of hydraulic fluid. So all of this is the motor, is the axle. Nah, I'm gonna show you uh, how it works. This diagram shows the main component of the hydraulic transmission. Is the pump and the motor. The pump is driven by the engine and produces flow of hydraulic fluid. The hydraulic fluid flow to the motor like this, which is located on the axle of the wheel. The motor is rotated by the flow on the hydraulic fluid. The flow of the hydraulic fluid can be controlled by a valve to change the speed and torque the speed applied to the motor. So there's a pipe around here. It's 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 control the fluid to control the speed from these things to rotate. Yes, there's some kind of that. The valve are typically operated by a computer, which allow to precise control of the flow of the hydraulic fluid. The hydraulic fluid is typical mineral oil, but it can be produced as a synthetic fluid. The hydraulic transmission works by converting the machinal energy from the engine into hydraulic energy. So when the fluid are ready to spin, let's create mechanical energy to work the motor right here and start working on the machinery itself. Hydraulic transmission are used on variety of the train, including diesel, hydraulic locomotive, electric hydraulic locomotive, high-speed train, and many others. They are also used on some heavy-duty vehicle, such as mining truck, and many others. Here, I'm gonna give you some advantage of using a hydraulic transmission. The first thing first is it's more efficient than manual or automatic transmission. It's more durable, it's more fuel efficient, it's easier to operate, and of course, it's smoother to operate. However, the train transmission also have some disadvantages, such as it's expensive than the manual or the automatic transmission. It's more heavier, it's more difficult to repair. Overall, hydraulic transmission are very effective and reliable type of transmission. They are used in variety of train and vehicle because there are a number of advantages, including efficiency, durability, and operation itself. The second things of the train transmission is electrical train transmission. The electrical train transmission of the type of transmission that use electric motor to transmit the power from the engine to the wheels is more efficient than the manual or automatic because it don't have any gear that are constantly messing together. So it's more durable because there's nothing gear like crashing. It's work like gear like it's don't like work like that. So it's more, yeah, it's more easier way. It's more durable, right? Yeah, yeah. The electronic transformation consists in two components. Wait, uh, it's like yes, an electric motor and the controller. The electric motor is here is almost all of here is electric motor because it's something like this. It's motor power, it's battery, it's main rectifier and main inverter. They are the electrical transmission itself. The second thing is the control. The control is responsible for controlling the speed and torque of the electric motor. I'm gonna show you how it works. This diagram shows the main component of the electric transformation: the electric motor, the electric controller, the batteries, and the overhead catalytic system. So it's the electric motor is there. The second is the battery. The second is the overhead catalytic system in here. The electric motor is located to end sole of the wheels and it's rotated by the flow of the electricity. So this is the electric transmission itself. It's work in here like doing some electrical work and start the axle over here so the wheel can rotate. The electric train transmission work by converting the electrical energy in here from the batteries or the overhead catalytic system into mechanical energy. So the mechanical energy is then used to rotate the electrical motor, which is turn rotate the axle of the wheel. The speed and the torque of the electrical motor can be controlled by the control, which allow the train to operate at the different speed to climb the different grades. Electrical train transmission are used in variety of train, included electric locomotive, electric train, and subway train. They are also used on some like rail vehicle. There are some advantages of the electrical train transmission. The first of all is efficient, is more durable, is more fuel efficient, it's resourceable, is a new, it can regenerate the resource. It's easier and smoother. But of course they have an a disadvantage itself. It's expensive, it's heavier because it's heavier, okay? And it's difficult to repair. That's all from me. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Thank you guys. Goodbye. See ya.